guys, and welcome back to our YouTube channel, or welcome if you're new. Today we're going to be drawing the pigeon from the Pigeon book series. But today we're going to draw him sad. First, I'm going to start with a circle for his head. Then a triangle for his beak. Then a line, and then a circle for his eye. Then a wavy circle for his eye. Then I'm going to start drawing his body, a rectangle for his neck, and then a tear shape for his body. Another teardrop shape for his wing. Another for his other wing. You don't have to do this, but I'm going to do this, but this is for shading. Lines. For his neck. Going to erase the bit of the body that doesn't connect to the wing. Give him some chicken legs. And now for my favorite part, the coloring. Whoa, what color should I color my pigeon, guys? That's a nice color, but I think I'm going to color my pigeon light blue. I wonder how it will look if I choose a darker blue. Much better. Now I gotta pick an orange for his beak. And a blue for his tear. And color in his eye. And there you have it, guys. The pigeon from the Pigeon series. Okay, guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with all your friends and family. Thanks. Bye.